Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a gold wave like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I use Stardust plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60, duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it Stardust. Star Dust. Then hit OK. Go to effects and presets and I'll type Stardust again. Double click or drag and drop. Yeah, and here we go. Okay, now I don't need emitter or particles, so I'll delete it. Then I'll go to go model. Okay, set file to primitive and also cube to plane. Then size X, I'll change it to 2000. Size Y to 1000. Also segments X, I'll change it to 600. And segments Y also 600. Then I'll go to model properties and Angel X, I'll change it to minus 90 degrees, and now I can see anything. So I'll go to layer, new camera, and okay, camera track. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new light type point and intensity 80, then okay. Okay, leave it just right now. So I'll go again to Stardust and I'll add the form and connect the form with model. Then set noise to maps. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new solid again, and I'll name it fractal noise. Go to effects and presets and fractal noise again. Fractal noise. Double click or drag and drop. Okay, now I'll set basic to dynamic twist and I'll increase contrast a little bit. Also brightness, I'll decrease it to 20, minus 20. Okay, transform scale, I'll scale it to 200. Okay, or around 200, and also complexity I'll decrease it to 4.9. Okay. Okay, now I'll go to evolution. I'll click and I'll type time times 100. Okay, and go to first frame, go to offset turbulence and keyframe, go to last frame, and I'll move this point up like this. And now see, this is our animation. Okay, let me pre-compose fractal noise. Right click and pre-compose fractal noise. Okay, and Make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition, then hit OK. Put it back, close it. Then I'll go to Stardust and OK. I'll go to maps here and set none to fractal noise and see. Yeah, very good. Set normal to high and I want to change this color, so let me add a material and connect with model. Open diffuse and change the color. Nothing, so I'll go to texture opacity. I'll change it to not no. Go to color form particle to 0 and see. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll open roughness and I'll increase it, and also I'll open reflection and I'll increase it also and see. Okay, now let me add this image, drag and drop, and I want to add, go to color, curves, and let me change RGB. Okay, then I'll pre-compose it and make sure that you are on also on all move all attributes into the new composition, and I'll close it and I'll go to Stardust and go to render settings and environment, set none to HDR. Now I'll go to material and amount, also amount I'll change it to 70 or 60. Okay, and also amount roughness I'll change it to 70. Okay, and let me change the color. Okay, and open two views, horizontal, and I'll move this point light and Control D to copy. Okay, and also I'll move it. And now, yeah. Okay, let me set fold to quarter to can control. Okay, and press C to change camera tracker. Okay, yeah, very good. This is camera tracker. orbit camera tool, and also track XY and track Z. Okay, yeah, okay, very good. Now I'll add again before, connect with before, and I'll change uh, 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 position offset to 40. Okay, yeah, and also noise scale, change it to 400 maybe, or 450. Yes, very good, 400, very good for me. And okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.